Hello everyone, there is massive recruitment in Australia. So if you're a worker and you're looking to migrate to Australia, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you visa sponsorship jobs you can apply for right now, and these are in different industries, so you want to watch this video to the end so you see all the vacancies that I'll be showing in this video. And one amazing thing with Australian visa right now is that you can get a decision in 3 days. The Australian Home Affairs Office recently announced that visa processes are going to be in 3 days for certain occupations, right? So I did a video on that. You're going to find the link up here and in the description below, so check out that video to know if your occupation is among those that are going to be getting their visa application decision in 3 days only. So do check that out. All right, so if we are just meeting, my name is Jackie, and on this channel I share content to help you migrate abroad to work, to study, and to live. So basically I share information about amazing opportunities around the world for you. So if you want to be seeing this kind of information on YouTube, then do subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss it when I share a new video. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thanks for always coming back to watch my channel. You can support my channel by liking this video, so hit the like button so I would know that you appreciate the content I share on here. And I have something special for YouTubers and anyone that wants to start a YouTube channel. I do encourage everybody to start YouTube channels. So I have a channel where I teach people how to start YouTube channels and how to make money from YouTube channels. So check out my channel, Jackie Finance. On that channel I share tips and strategy on how to run a successful YouTube channel and make money on YouTube. And I also share other side hustles that you can do all online. So if you're interested in starting an online business, then check out Jackie Finance and see how you can do that. All right. So back to these jobs in Australia, I want to show you jobs you can apply for right now, and they have visa sponsorship, right? So I'm going to show you a lot of jobs in different occupations. And the first one here is for a community-based occupational therapist, and visa sponsorship is available. So if we go down to see details, it says that this is a full-time job and you'll be required to work for 38 hours per week, and the salary is $75,000 to $92,000 per annum. So let's click to see more details about this. Okay, so these are the details of the job. Full-time, yeah, as we saw already, the working hours and the salary for this. Okay, and it says here that visa sponsorship is available. So there's competitive salary, and then you're going to be needing to have a bachelor's degree, right, of occupational therapy or its equivalent, minimum of 6 months community-based NDIS experience and all of that. And then sponsorship opportunities available for a candidate with minimum of 2 years experience. So if you fit this profile, you can see the details here. If you fit this profile, then go ahead and apply for this job. Okay, so let's see the next one. This is for a fitter and a machinist. Yeah, so the salary here is $60,000 to $80,000 per annum, and the visa sponsorship available is the 482. So if you're eligible for 482, then you can apply for this. Okay, all right, so if you're a fitter, full-time permanent positions available for immediate start, for workshop and site work available for both Australian citizens and applicants seeking sponsorship for a work visa, right? So this is available for you, and it's also available for those that are on an existing 482 visa looking to transfer to another company. So you can apply for this. So let's see more details about the job. Purpose of the position: HS Solutions has an existing opportunity for experienced fitter machinists for site works in and around Geraldton area and works located at our Geraldton workshop. All right. So you can check this out and see if you want to apply. So the links for all these jobs are going to be posted on my Telegram channel. So to join my Telegram channel, check the description box below for the link, or you check the about section of my channel and you're going to see the links to the Telegram channel where I'll be sharing the links for all these jobs right here. So the next one here is for a midwife, and there is sponsorship for this as well. So if you're a midwife, you want to move down to Australia, then you can check this out. So let's view for more details. All right, so midwife visa sponsorship. Base pay is $34 to $48 per hour. About you, registered midwife, you need to be a registered midwife, and you need to either have a degree as a midwife or postgraduate study in midwifery. And of course, the AHPRA registration needs to be sorted, or a letter of eligibility from AHPRA, and then experience of a minimum of 2 years as a midwife, have the necessary COVID vaccinations and boosters, right? Sponsorship to live and work in Australia, and relocation reimbursement is, the benefits that you'll be getting from this company. Okay, so let's see another one. All right, so also concerning the links, if you don't want to join the Telegram channel, the links are also displayed on the screen. So just type out this URL right here and you're going to get to this page. So that's another way of getting the links, all right? If you don't want to go get it directly from my Telegram channel. Okay, so registered nurse, aged care. So this is another one for a health practitioner. So let's click to see more details. All right, so this is it. Salary is $33 to $42 per hour. And let's see about you. A qualified registered nurse with experience in aged care, knowledge of the ANACC model, and then of course the registrations. All right, so the benefits here is sponsorship to live and work in Australia, and relocation reimbursement is also available. So that's just it. So you can apply for this as well. So this is the email address to send in your application: healthcare work in Australia at randstad.com.au. If you've been following my channel, you would know that Randstad is one of the recruitment agencies in Australia. So if you're just, seeing my channel for the first time, you can check out the playlist to see other videos I've done about jobs in Australia. So I've talked about recruitment agencies, the top job sites, to check out in Australia, and all those sort of details. All right, so this is for a chef, and this is the job description. So they're looking for a chef to join the team, and they're looking for one that is willing to learn and to help lead the team. All right. Multitasking and strong communication skills in English is needed. So next up is another registered nurse, and this is in palliative care community, and visa sponsorship is available as well. So I'm going to drop this link and then you can check it out and apply. And this is for a painter. So painters are also needed in Australia, and the pay is $60,000 to $80,000 per annum. All right, so if you're a painter and you want to move down to Australia, this is a very good opportunity. So you can apply for this. So you can check out the details and see if your profile matches this, and then you can apply for the job, okay? And the next one here is for a qualified nurse. International qualified nurses actually are needed for this, so it's more than one position. So that's just it. And visa sponsorship is available for this as well. So these are the details of the job. So if you match this, then you can send in your application. So they are looking for the visa sponsorship available is the 482 visa, right? 3 years of this, so you can check it out and apply. It says that it has, the opportunity to apply for permanent residency. So if you're an internationally qualified nurse and midwife, you can look into applying for this, right? So they're saying that you must have current nursing AHPRA registration or working towards. So if you don't have it and you're working towards it, you can still apply for this. So it's worth checking out, all right? So you should check this out as well. And this is for a community-based speech pathologist. And visa sponsorship is available for this as well. So you can check it out. The salary is $89,000 to $120,000 per annum. So this is good. So you can check it out and apply. And this is for motor technicians and mechanics. So if you're a mechanic, you can move down to Australia with visa sponsorship, okay? So these are the details for the job. So you can check it out. If you want to apply for this, you can go ahead. And the salary is $50,000 to $70,000, right? So you can check it out and apply if you're a mechanic, okay? So these are amazing job opportunities in Australia that have visa sponsorship. So do take advantage of them. I have a playlist on my channel for everything Australia, the different kinds of visas, in Australia. Australia has like 1 million different visas. There are so many, and I've done videos on many of these visas. So check out the playlist up here and in the description box below so you can know which visa works best for you. There are visas for people that don't want to write IELTS, right? And there are visas where you don't need a job offer to apply for the visa, different kinds of visas. So do check the one that best suits you in that playlist. All right. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And also like this video, to show support. If you appreciate the content, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. And of course, turn on the post notifications so you would know every time I share a new video, so you don't miss out on any important information that will be of help to you in your relocation journey, right? Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.